vehicles for even the toughest conditions. Excellent performance on demanding terrain. Robust build and reliability. Operating efficiency to boost productivity. These are the typical features of vehicles made by the world's third oldest auto manufacturer, Tatra Trucks, from Koprivnica of the Czech Republic. The tradition of vehicle production in Koprivnica dates back over 165 years to 1850, when Ignác Šustala set up a factory producing carriages. At the end of the 19th century, he decided to refocus his business on passenger cars and trucks. The famous Tatra brand was first used in 1919. And in 1923, designer Hans Ledvinka officially unveiled his unique chassis concept featuring a central backbone tube and swinging half axles, a concept that still characterizes Tatras today. Patented solutions and tireless innovation to meet customers' needs. These are at the heart of the design process that creates new models and ensures constant improvement. One result of this process was the Tatra 815, the company's flagship model, which was produced for almost 20 years. The 21st century has brought new models that are now cornerstones of the company's portfolio, the Tatra Force and Tatra Tactic. In 2011, they were joined by the Tatra Phoenix. The ownership structure underwent a major change in 2013, making Tatra a 100% Czech company. The new owners successfully restructured the business, and the following year brought the launch of the new Tatra Phoenix Euro 6 version. Innovation has been at the heart of Tatra's success for decades. The company's current series production and customized solutions are based on many years of engineering experience, combined with sophisticated modern design. To create robust, reliable vehicles, Tatra needs not only ingenious design solutions, but also components that meet the highest quality standards. The subsidiary Tatra Metallurgy produces castings and forgings for its parent company, as well as for other customers from a range of industries, including automotive manufacturers. The company's long tradition and experience, combined with sophisticated technologies, enables it to achieve outstanding product quality. Modern production methods include the use of CNC machines and strict quality control systems throughout the production process. The unique Tatra chassis concept is based on a central backbone tube with swinging half axles. This modular system makes it possible to produce vehicles with up to 8 axles. The engine is the heart of every vehicle. In addition to Tatra's air-cooled 8-cylinder units, Tatra vehicles can also be equipped with Packer MX or Cummins engines. Tatra's own gearboxes form an integral part of its powertrain systems. Vehicles can also be fitted with high-quality ZF and Allison transmissions. The individual components are taken to the final assembly line. The process begins by combining the axles, the central backbone tube, and the shafts to create the chassis. Then the wheels are fitted, followed by the auxiliary frame and engine, the gearbox, the electrical and air systems, and finally, the cabin. Trained workers and sophisticated equipment guarantee excellent build quality and high precision. Some of the assemblies are exported as CKD sets, and Tatra's international partners use them to produce goods vehicles for their local markets. The Tatra product portfolio comprises 4 basic model types. Each model can be produced in various versions, depending on individual customer requirements. Besides civilian vehicles, Tatra also makes special vehicles for the fire, rescue, and defense services. Each order is categorized depending on the amount of optional equipment and the demands of the design and production process. Tatra vehicles can also be modified to meet individual customer requirements. Thanks to the modular chassis, the experienced designers at the Tatra Prototype Workshop can create vehicles that are truly unique. As part of Tatra quality control, each structural element is subjected to a rigorous testing process before being used in series production. First, it undergoes a series of measurements at the modern dynamic testing lab. And then the vehicle is taken to the Tatra Test Center, one of the largest testing facilities in Europe, where drivers thoroughly evaluate its performance, functionality, and durability in a range of different operating conditions. The Tatra Trucks Testing Lab and Test Center are often used by other engine and vehicle manufacturers. The final inspection at the Diagnostic Center ensures that every customer becomes the owner of a top-quality, all-wheel drive vehicle that is the end product of rigorous auditing at all levels: sales, development, design, production, and final testing. The Tatra Customer Center plays an important role in building our brand and developing relationships with dealers and customers. Working with a network of authorized dealers and service partners, the Customer Center provides a complete range of after-sale services, professional servicing during and after the warranty period, quick delivery of original spare parts, and training courses run by experienced experts. Tatra takes you further.